able to speak, I think.
Absolutely, brother. See, bro, like, first thing, don't fear. We can say don't hesitate in front of people. See, we have a lot of problem, we can say.
Yeah,
Why?
I am agree with you. Who fear and scared of this of language, he cannot learn English.
Yes.
First time
He,
we
yeah.
we need to our courage yourself.
Yeah,
Yes.
courage is important, brother. For example, if I give an opportunity, hey, brother, this is doctor, just go and talk with him. Like, and a doctor belong to Catholic doctor, well educated, and he know very well English language. If I give an opportunity, hey, brother, just go talk to, with him. That moment you feel like, oh my God, he give me, like big task. How to I manage? So
Manage.
that we do not try to talk a English language.
Everybody think like that. Everybody think like that first time.
Even even he know very well. Like I'm also beginner. I'm also not master about English language. He and she very well know, we can say. But our mind already set like if I talk with him and her, definitely those people try to judge me. But this is not right. English just a language. If you do mistake, people never judge you. One time you fail, second time you fail, but third time definitely you will be master yourself. At least try. At least whenever it's requirement, wherever it's requirement, we can just take a opportunity. For example, if you visit a college, then try to talk with your, we can say, like master, professor, teacher. Whenever you go to outside with your friend circle, like if you are improving in your English language,
Mm.
try to discuss with your friend circle. Whenever like your free time, whenever you using a social media, try to watch English news, English, we can say, movie series, and
Right, right.
or speech like that. Then we will get a lots of knowledge further. If we listen more, watch more, and speak more, automatically we will get lots of things without any investment, brother. We can learn. It will take a time. It's okay, doesn't matter. Don't think about like I want to learn a hurry. No, this is just a language. It will take a time, 3 months to 6 months, 1 year, maybe. So depend on practice. So always try,
Actually,
brother. Always try.
actually, you know why we are can't improve our spoken English. Th- this is
Mhm.
behind one reason. We are whenever we get time, we are watching something on YouTube. At that time, we
Mhm.
watch our native language
Yeah.
videos. That's
Yes.
why we can't improve our
Yeah. Right.
language, I think. Whenever we uh, see something on YouTube, that time I should, in my opinion, that time we watch something English language
Yeah. It's very
videos.
yeah.
Yeah, right.
Because always, yeah, absolutely, you're right, brother. Always we try to get like we try to watch, we try to speak, we try to look a Hindi and our mother tongue language. We do not prefer to English because we are we are trying to learn an English language. So whenever we go to YouTube channel, suddenly we change the mind, we come to the like a Hindi language. That moment we do not think about like, oh my God, if I watch English I will never understand. But we know very well, like if I watch, then we will get the idea, I will get a knowledge how to talk, how to learn, how to speak. Because this is related to my career, and its future time, definitely it's gonna work, brother.
Right.
So
You're right.
always I recommended people like my friends circle, my audience, my people, like guys, please do hard work about English language. We can say like try to speak more and practice whatever you have a free time. Just try to connect with stranger people more. Audio calling, video calling, doesn't matter. Whatever you prefer to, just get the opportunity to talk to more and more. And second thing, listen more. If you listen more, practice, like we can say podcast, any speech, any like normal conversation, then you will get the answer, you will get an idea. And third
idea.
thing, watching more like YouTube channel video, and we can say like movies, series, any news, just watch more. And it's
You
very
know,
important, just always practice. This is,
sometime I watch a movie. I I have no interest on movie, but sometime I watch a movie, English movie. That time, somewhat I catch some word, but many words I don't catch because
okay.
they are. I think they are used short. That's why I can't catch some word.
Oh, I think. Yeah, sometimes it's happened with us. For example, we can say like whenever we try to conversation each other, that moment, suddenly a time will come, we stuck that moment. We don't know like proper word. We can say vocabulary word. So immediately we feel to like nervous, and we take a pause. So over there, we try to avoid this situation, avoid this sentence, avoid this vocabulary, avoid this word. We immediately jump. If you jump like don't show off like I'm feeling too stuck, I'm taking a pause. Don't show off. If you don't know exactly word, then move on or use another word. See, English is very beneficial, brother. If you talk about one meaning many word. This
Yes,
is
you're right.
about English language. One meaning many word.
One word depend on sentence.
Yeah, depend on sentence, brother.
Sentence.
If I tell you right now, I don't remember any word like, but if I remember, definitely I will tell you. See, like we can talk many way about English language, like British language, and we can say Australian language. Different word also meaning is
Word
same, but
many
uh,
same.
we can say like our way to practice, our way to communication is different. Like accent also different, language is same, English worldwide
Accent,
language.
yes, accent is different.
Yes,
Like UK and American, their accent is very different.
yes, absolutely. So
And
the practice.
I want to thank you so much. You encourage me, and who watch your conversation video, they will they can help on your video, and this good conversation. This conversation, and your English is very good. Speaking is very good, and sometime I will call you.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem, brother.
whenever I get time.
Yeah, of course. Whenever you free time, please try to connect with me. Definitely, we will make a good, conversation, and we will talk about topic. We will discuss about something new. So
You know,
if we,
I
yeah, tell
want
me.
to improve my spoken
Mhm.
English, and anyhow, anyway, I am doing hard work, some hard work, and I want to improve my spoken English anyway, anyhow, and just I am focused my spoken English.
Yeah, brother. And second thing, you have a opportunity. Every day you try to face a lots of customer because you are working as a cashier. So over
Yes.
there, many type of customer come visit and talk to you. We can say like they try to attract with you. We can say like whenever you give a exchange, they just ask you, sir, can you give me exchange like that? Then over there you can talk without any fear like, yes ma'am, we have a change, should I give a change, should I like 50 rupees, 100 rupees, like that. So this is good opportunity, brother. Always try to talk to those
Wow,
people.
right. You are
Yeah.
right. I can do.
See, brother, right now I don't have any partner, I don't have any opportunity, and I don't know anything, I don't have nothing. But you are working every day, you face a lots of customer, around 100 people maybe a day.
Don't
Yeah,
worry. Our elder says always, education part is not end.
yeah,
Yes,
right, right.
and I think your goal is you can achieve. You can
Yeah, let.
achieve because yes,
Mhm.
but you know, education is not end.
Yes, right. We can
Yes,
learn We can do study anytime,
Yeah.
anywhere. Age is doesn't matter.
Does
Matter
not
is like
matter.
what you have a quality content. What's your power? What's your strength? We can say. If you have a something new, then present, then new thing. Your new thing will be like build yourself. We can say make a career. So always find yourself. Always struggle yourself. You will get a success. We
Success.
will get a success. We can say, yeah.
Right, right. Definitely.
So, brother, end of time, I'm going to tell you tomorrow if you go to, if you go in your job, okay? So just try to yourself talk with, stranger people. At least start. Definitely, you will feel too happy. I'll guarantee you. Then one time you,
Thank you so much. You given me good idea. I will try this from tomorrow. Thank you
okay.
so much.
So all the best and do hard work. Definitely, you will get a fluency. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So bye
Thank you
bye.
so
Thank
much.
you so
Bye
much
bye.
for with me. Bye bye. See you. We will meet next video. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you so much.